Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. They have fake iPhone 15s out there. They have fake iPhone 14s, etc. But in this video, I'm going to talk about how to spot a fake iPhone 15, and it goes down to even the receipts, how detailed these fakers are. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So the number one way to authenticate your iPhone is to scan its serial number on the Apple Check Coverage website or in store. Fake iPhones never replicate serial numbers properly. They also can't. So in regards to the serial number, let's break it down, right? Because I'm pretty sure y'all looking at it like, what's the serial number? All these numbers, I cannot see. Don't worry, my gotcha. Okay, just chill, bro. Just check your blood pressure. Just chill. So where to find it? Your iPhone's 15 serial number is in two places. You know when you talk about let's look at in your phone, right? Settings, general, about, and then serial number. On the box, you flip it upside down. On the bottom right side, you have the serial number. Keep in mind for the you're gonna want to keep that that mental note in mind, because now how to scan it? We're gonna want to scan it. Open an internet browser on any device. Number two, go to the website, and you could put that on the screen, Peter. It's called checkcoverage.apple.com. Number three, type your iPhone 15 serial number. 4, complete the CAPTCHA. 5, hit send. And you're gonna probably have to wait a couple of seconds after sending it, and then voila, results, right? And if you found out that it's fake, then you're gonna want to throw hands with, hey bro, you sold me a fake iPhone 15. Give me them hands. So if it's authentic, it's gonna have a valid purchase date, serial number, and warranty. If the case, if it's fake, it's gonna be an invalid serial number and no purchase date. So no fake can get through Apple's database the same way nobody can replicate iOS, Apple's operating system for iPhones. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. If there's going to be a way that you think that is better to spot a fake, please let me know in the comment section. Number 2, lock screen. An authentic one has the correct basic Apple font. The fake one, it has an Android font for the day's text. Them Androids, they love, what I'm saying? They wish they can be Apple. But anyways, number 3, buttons. On the lock screen, again, the authentic must have the flashlight plus camera buttons. The fake one, no flashlight and the random eye icon for the camera. Let's have this very quick note. The steps that I'm talking about so far are the best ways to authenticate like this item. The next few steps are still reliable methods, but they apply to not the top versions of replicas available for this particular item. So you're gonna want to double check the steps that I explained, right, to make sure that you're on point. So now let's go third level. Speakers. Authentic, large holes for the speakers. Fake, they're too small, right? So you're gonna want to be very detail oriented with this. Large holes for the speakers in the authentic one. Fake, it's too small. Number 5, time. Unlock your phone and look in the top left side. The authentic one has correct Apple font, so you're gonna want to know your Apple fonts. The fake one has Android font once again. It has the Android font once again because they're trying to get to the blue bubble side. They green bubbles. They're trying to get to our side. You know what I'm saying? Number 6, screen frame. The authentic one is perfectly round. Authentic iPhone 15 silhouette. The fake one is Android frame with uneven corners. Number 7, pretty repetitive. However, again, this has to be called out. So there's only so many ways I can help you out. For fake iPhones, the authentic one uses the correct Apple San Francisco font. The fake one uses the Android classic Samsung font, because they steady trying to get on our side. Look, they steady trying to get on side. They steady trying to get on our side. Number 8, cameras. Authentic has thinner lines. The fake one has thicker outlines the cameras, right? The fake thicker outlines the cameras. Number 9, box. Authentic, it repeats the same text in multiple languages. The fake one only says, it only says it in English. Fake boxes may also have typos. You know what I'm saying? But you're gonna have to learn how to read. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all like iPhones, but y'all don't like reading. Number 10, major defects. The authentic one never has any scratches inside the box. The fake one may sometimes have a ripped box, like you see on the screen. It may have it. Now, receipt. An authentic Apple receipt never looks like this. And Peter, you can put that on the screen. Okay, you can put that on the screen, Peter. Now, there are many ways that you can look at this, right? Why would somebody go through such lengths to make a fake iPhone 15 or fake? Because it's big business. It's big business. It is big business to fake one. And again, I might say something that may be a little bit controversial here, but
so say it.
If you have a differing opinion, please let me know in the comment section. But a lot of the parts that make the iPhone, right, they may not be as expensive as we think it to be, right? So if someone is able to use already cheap parts that are actually replicate the iPhone 15 or future later models, because we know that this industry is most likely never going to end. Imagine the margins of profits if they're able to get this done, right? Because again, it's of my opinion that iPhones aren't, obviously they have their quality, right? But I'm not sure if they're as expensive as we think the parts of the iPhone are. For all we know, they probably reuse items and recraft them from older models, right? Older models of the iPhone, and they put it on the newer models. So, and how easy, right? How easy do you think it is to replicate an iPhone 15, like a fake one? I think it's kind of tough. I don't know how they're able to do it, but because how are you able to replicate the receipt? I mean, and do you guys think that, the talent is being used in the wrong direction, that they should just say, hey man, look, they should just work for Apple. They should just work for Apple and say, hey man, I can do it, but if you don't hire me, then I'm gonna make these fake ones and I'm gonna eat into your profits in your market. So either you give me a job now, or I'll do some fake stuff. Okay. Well, that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. I appreciate you watching. Is there things that I did not cover in this video, some things that I missed? Please let me know in the comment section below, because that's what it's about. Having a conversation on a global scale. Stay safe. I appreciate your viewership. See you on the next video.